Do you want a continuous flow of money? Are you open to doing a side hustle? What if I tell you that you can earn $200 per day just by these 10 passive income ideas? We will talk about income opportunities, side hustles, online income stream, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money, inflation, COVID-19 pandemic, recession, and calamities. All those hit us in the past 3 years. Because of that, the prices are going higher and higher each passing time. Food, gasoline, fare, services, everything. But you know what stays the same? Salaries. With a 9-to-5 job, it's difficult to stay on top of one's finances. That's why passive income is so important. With a passive income, you can actually make money while you sleep. If you are getting where we are driving at, let's talk about the 10 passive income ideas that one can get online and pave the way for the comfort that we are dreaming of. Number 1. Creating a YouTube channel. If you're thinking about using YouTube to make money, make sure you know one thing. If you want to start a new channel from scratch, you must first reach the YouTube minimum threshold before you can start making money from it. That is, you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Once you reach that number, you can start making money off your videos. How much can you make on YouTube? Honestly, as much as you want. If you keep posting good videos that people want to watch, you'll be fine. The longer the video, the more money you can expect to make. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you get, the more money you can make, and the more subscribers you get. What you make on YouTube is passive income. If you make a few videos, they should keep making you money repeatedly. Paid sponsorships are another way to make money on YouTube, but you need a big audience. Usually, at least 10,000 subscribers to do this. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a term used for selling products made by other people. Blogging or creating YouTube channels and affiliate marketing is the best pair to make money. With affiliate programs, you'll get a link to their products that is only for you. If someone who comes to your site clicks on the link and buys the product, you'll get a commission. But you must be patient and keep trying. Blogs are not a way to get rich quickly. It will take a while to get going and start making money. Just enjoy the process, but most importantly, stick with it. You'll need a laptop or smartphone, a reliable internet connection, and a niche you're familiar with. Number 3. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks have long been used to generate passive income. Dividend-paying stockholders receive payments from the company at regular intervals. Companies pay cash dividends from their profits on a quarterly basis, and all you must do is own the stock. Dividends are paid on a per-share basis, so the more shares you own, the greater your payout. To receive large dividend checks, you'll need to do a lot of research and invest a lot of money. The risky part of this is choosing the right stocks. If you don't do proper research, you will lose your money. If you want to take advantage of any of these investment opportunities, make sure you open an account at the best online brokerage and earn rewards in the process. Number 4. Rental of properties. Another great passive income stream is letting other people use your properties in exchange for cash. If you have a car that you don't use quite often, you can let other people rent it for a day or so. If you have a large land, why not build tiny houses or a house with lots of rooms and become a landlord? If you have a parking space that you aren't using or that someone else could use, you can have this for rental too. It could be an even better setup if you have a larger area that can accommodate multiple cars or is useful for multiple events or venues. In this way, you will receive monthly income from your renters. It's easier to find renters nowadays. You just have to post your properties online. Number 5. Invest in real estate. If you have enough money and you have a high risk tolerance, you should try investing in real estate. It's the best way to get your money working for you as soon as possible. Despite a large amount of capital required to enter the real estate market, it is more accessible than you might think. For example, there are numerous ways to participate in this hugely profitable asset. One can enter through pure investment plays that do not require hands-on management. These may include crowdfunding, investing in real estate trusts, and participating in real estate partnerships. Another option is direct ownership, which entails purchasing your own home, a rental property, or property to fix up and flip. Investing in real estate is always dependent on the market and the demand for rentals. As a result, it may not be the first choice for some because it takes time to pay off. But when it does, it rakes in higher rewards. Invest in real estate if you already have other sources of income. Number 6. Invest in a new business as a silent partner. If you want a passive income and you want to be successful in business, you must be able to see opportunities that most people overlook. The good news is that opportunities come up every day. All we must do is keep our eyes open. One way to do this is to become a silent partner in a new business that you think could grow and make a lot of money. There's no doubt that everyone has at least 1 or 2 brilliant friends. They know that if you make one good guess, you can be sure that their business will be successful. You should spend your money on these kinds of friends. Then, sit back and watch your money work for you. As a silent partner, you should never talk about your personal feelings at work. Don't get in the way of the active partner and let them do their thing. I know there will be trust problems along the way, especially when the business doesn't seem to be making money. But at this point, your job should be to let your money work for you. Just be patient. Number 7. Vending machines. A vending machine can be a passive income too. You will just have to purchase machines and then ask for a store owner to put that in their place. You can have a percentage cut, or you can pay for the rent. Leave that machine to work its way to make money work for you, and then come back every month or anytime you agreed on with the shop owner to collect your money. Easy, right? Number 8. Invest in stock market. When you look at how the world's wealthiest people make their money, it's safe to say that stocks have been a big part of their massive bank accounts. Buying stocks is a really passive thing to do, but the research that goes into it is an active thing. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every day. He reads the annual reports of businesses. By doing this, he gets a better idea of whether a business is doing well or not. This helps him become a better stock investor. Investing in stocks can help you make passive income that is worth much more than what you earn at your 9-to-5 job. So consider this idea if you know what's happening in different markets and industries. Number 9. Set up an online shop. With the growth of e-commerce comes the chance to use an online store to make money without doing anything. Drop shipping has been very common, and if you don't know how it works, here's how it works. You open an online store that sells products from certain companies. When someone comes to your site to get a product, your system sends the order to the right manufacturer. The manufacturer then fills the order by sending the product straight to the customer. One of the cool things about this type of business is that you don't have to order inventory. The customer pays for the product. You get the profit, and the manufacturer stores and ships the product to the customer. It's as simple as that. You can earn money with little effort. Number 10. Sell an online course. Information is the most valuable thing in the 21st century, and selling digital products like online courses is one of the best ways to take advantage of the information age. Now, you might be thinking, I don't know what I could make a course about, which is fine. The good news is that there is a market for almost any information product online, including courses on web development, productivity, and even journaling. If you have a lot of followers, you can create an online course about building a YouTube channel. There are a lot of things that you can include. To sell this, there are platforms that you can find online that you can put and promote your course. Passive income is just around the corner. All you have to do is to start. Choose the passive income that you want and nurture it. This way, you can have cash continuously flowing in your hands. This is exciting, right? So, what are you waiting for? What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you know more passive income ideas? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.